In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Password and Security. Now click on Face. Enter your current login method. Select Continue and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now tap on Done at the bottom and adjust all of those options however you wish to by clicking on the switchers next to them. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my OnePlus. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!